Street Spring and project conceptualization, state master planning, environmentally sensitive design, making, and construction. Their vision says, lead in all our endeavors, we design and review fulfill our tasks. We pursue our passion for creating excellent architecture in the world that we do. So ArchiGlobal started in July 2008, then opened Makati Satellite Office in 2017 in partnership with ArchiGlobal Luna Planning and Design for the JLPE Studio, who synergize both firms with rich experience in real estate planning and architectural design. So currently, the firm consists of 68 employees, dealing with 112 clients, and has a total of 189 projects designed. Then they conceptualized over 1,100 hectares of land development and designed over 2.2 million square meters of building floor area. Now let's get to know the principal architects. First, we have architect Michael Mike Morris, President CEO. So architect Mike, formerly Business Technical Planning head at Cebu Holdings, played a key role in Ayala's expansion in Cebu, Visayas, and Mindanao. With a postgraduate diploma in urban planning from Liman and completing the strategic business economic program at the University of Asia and the Pacific, he founded ArchiGlobal Incorporated, starting with 3 architects. The firm now has almost 70 members and established Makati Satellite Office since 2017. Then we have architect Steve Joel Luna, principal architect of JLPE. So with over 30 years of design experience, architect Joel specializes in mixed-use and township development planning, and then between 2008 and 2016, he supervised over 300 projects for Ayala Land, and then in 2017, he established JLPE Studio, his consultancy focusing on development and strategic planning. He is also a renowned speaker and author, sharing insights on mixed-use planning and placement.
So now let's go into the structure that we slide into their research projects. So the first one, we have architect Miguel Torres, which is the founding principal architect. His vision and experience guides the entire firm. And then for the architect Torres, are the senior architects or the backbone of the firm. They wear multiple hats in projects from technical and design standpoint, managing departments and securing clients' contracts. And then we have the technical team, which stores ideas into reality. The technical team takes the architect's visions and translates them into detailed plans. They handle design and development to ensure the accuracy of the architectural and technical drawings. And then we have the design team, which is the visualization powerhouse of the firm. The design team brings the technical projects through captivating user. They specialize in presentation, visualization, and post-processing, ensuring clear communication with the clients. And lastly, we have the support staff. They make the things running smoothly in the firm. A dedicated support staff keeps the firm operational from finance and administration to human resource and IT support. They ensure everything runs efficiently behind the scenes. And then now is their design services. So they offer master planning, ArchiGlobal master planning services, serves as the guiding blueprint to the real estate planning and development of the project, whether it's a residential community, a commercial district, or a sustainable urban space. And also they offer architecture and engineering services. Their architects and engineers combine creativity with technical expertise, transforming visions into functional and aesthetically pleasing structures. Also, they provide subdivision planning. ArchiGlobal excels at carving out efficient individual subdivisions, ensuring a harmonious blend between individual spaces and the broader community. They also offer landscape architecture services, from lush gardens to functional outdoor areas. ArchiGlobal landscape architects seamlessly weave nature into the project, creating a balance between aesthetics and functionality. And then they also offer interior design are brought to life outdoors with ArchiGlobal's interior design services, graphic styling, and functional spaces. Also, they offer environmental graphics. In eye for detail allows ArchiGlobal to incorporate cultivating environmental graphics that enhance the user experience and elevate the overall experience. And lastly, rendering and animation services. Visualize the project before it's built. ArchiGlobal rendering and animation services allow our clients to explore design concepts and make informed decisions. And next, the project scope of ArchiGlobal. They design for residential buildings, condominiums, subdivision with house models, compound complexes, high residences, and also for commercial buildings. They design retail strips, commercial complexes, BPO office buildings, corporate towers, or mixed-use buildings. And for hospitality, they design city hotels, resort hotels, clubhouses, and function halls. And for institutional buildings, they design school buildings and vocational institutes. They also design car showrooms, Roman Catholic churches, religious priory, rehabilitation centers, amusement park structures, and also hospitals and medical centers. And next is their design principles. Their award-winning designs go beyond aesthetics. They build on three core principles such as sustainable future, focus on people, community, and relevance. So, sustainable future, global is in this building structures. They are building for the future. Their design prioritize local solutions. This means using eco-friendly materials that minimize environmental impact and incorporating features like passive cooling and reduce energy consumption. And then the second principle is focus on people. After the ArchiGlobal, people are the part of every design. They understand that buildings are more than just bricks and mortar. They are spaces where people work and thrive. Their designs prioritizes user experience, creating spaces that are comfortable, functional, and meet the specific needs of the people who use them. And lastly, community relevance. ArchiGlobal recognizes the importance of community relevance. Their designs strive to be more just buildings. They aim to become a integral part of the community they serve. They achieve this by considering local context, promoting sense of identity and belonging, and inspiring future generations of artists.
Okay, hi guys. So design process of ArchiGlobal. When we went there, we asked, what is your design process? So they told us that they follow the same as almost all of us. So first is the pre-design phase. This is where they are given the project or the by the client, and project initiation involves a site analysis and selection, feasible studies, preliminary budgets, and scheduling. This is all part of their pre-design phase. Then the next process is systematic design. Concept development, rough sketches and diagrams, initial space planning and layout, and preliminary design presentation to the clients. And their approaches is the collaboration with allied forces and integration of UMI's system. And the next process is design development. So refinement of the systematic designs, detailed drawings and plans, material selections and specification, coordination with the engineering consultants. So project management. How do they manage your project? Because ArchiGlobal handles a lot of projects at once. So collaboration with allied forces. When we went there, we learned that ArchiGlobal doesn't really have a construction team. They rely on outsourcing those sources. So ArchiGlobal primary emphasis lies in design. With constructions and aspect being outside their scope, they engage in collaborative project management with allied professionals to fulfill their aspect of the project. are the technologies and tools they primarily use. Revit, Photoshop, Inkscape, Lumion, T5. Like all of us, I think we all have a little experience with dealing with this kinds of apps. So challenges and solutions. So in challenges and solutions, ArchiGlobal, one of their challenges is the communication channel. But they told us that they have slowly solved that particular problem. In the past, the firm had offices in Ayala, Ramos, Tahoe, which made communication between departments difficult. To solve this problem, all offices have now been consolidated into one location and improving productivity and efficiency. So when ArchiGlobal started, they had 3 branches, and imagine you have to travel from one place to another to convey important or to give important information to your team. So, and the second problem they experience is manpower. ArchiGlobal, over time, culture and multiple simultaneous projects makes manpower allocation challenging. To address this, the firm promotes a collaborative approach in ensuring projects are completed effectively. In what we asked them about overtime, because most of us don't really want to do overtime when we work. So they said that they encourage not having overtime, but if you want to help another team with another project, you are welcome to. So these are the corporate clients and allies. As you can see, we have a lot of clients that we are dealing with Ayala Land, San Carlos, Grand Land. A lot of big clients are going to them for designs. And allies is, like I said, ArchiGlobal doesn't have a construction team, so they primarily outsource that part. So they have Dr. Norman Ramos, Engineer Los Andres, mainly constructions that includes construction, they outsource. So clients relation. Office meeting, they often involve gathering clients and team members in conference room or designated meeting. And second is virtual meeting. They take place over digital platforms such as Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Skype, allowing participants to join remotely from anywhere with internet connection. When we asked them how they managed to overcome COVID-19, because they didn't really have, they were not permitted to go to the office. So they told us that mainly they use Zoom to conduct meetings, to just tell the process of the projects. And they also told us that during COVID, they gave the workers their own individual laptops and things that they can use to consistently convey the information that they are doing.
Good evening, everyone. And now we'll be tackling the selected projects of ArchiGlobal. When we went there to the site at your office, ang ilang main na ibang flex chart. Ang ilang main na ibang tingnan na mo kayo ng selected projects. For the first one is the master plan for the Sea Room Ayala Land. This vibrant destination, located in the heart of Mactan, Cebu, the Punta Engano Resort Corridor is already heralded as Cebu's next haven for food lovers, adventure enthusiasts, and families seeking elevated recreational and regal options. The opening event took place on December 14, 2023 as Seabrooke Scenic Grounds. In addition to the delectable food offerings, Seabrooke will open Cebu's first rural park, a skate and bike park designed for active people and sports enthusiasts, with its scenic and dedicated areas. Rural Park provides a safe and exciting arena for bikers, skateboarders, and rollerbladers. Rural Park features various ramps, jumps, and obstacles for all ski levels. The park also offers bamboo bike rentals during special weekends, ensuring that everyone can enjoy the thrill of biking and skiing. In tradition of Ayala Land's integrated mixed-use development, Seagrove will offer a world-class leisure estate features a coastal boardwalk and nature park, an expansive mangrove forest, and a nature-inspired pedestrian outdoor art installations by renowned artists and a full range of experiences and services for discerning guests. A standout feature for this Seagrove commitment is to sustainability and environmental conservation. The estate strictly follows eco-friendly principles, incorporating green spaces and energy-saving solutions and effective waste management, among other green features. The next one is the Sheraton New Mactan Condominium in Mactan Islands. The highly discerning will find an unparalleled world. The best of resort style living, with sanctuary and tranquility, and the allure of this residence extends beyond its intricate design. Many properties provide breathtaking serene waters of Mactan Channel, or the lush, vibrant landscape surrounding the island, and with a pristine beaches just don't throw away. Residents can indulge in the fluidity of the ocean or partake in recreating cold water activities. The residents at the Sheraton Mactan Resort combines contemporary design with tropical aesthetics and local touches to create unparalleled dwellings for exceptional beauty. Nestled in one of the country's most picturesque locations, this offers a harmonious blend of modern architecture and natural beauty. The next one of their designs is the Vertex Central, a residential condominium in Cebu City. It is an ongoing construction. By the way, I will just repeat it again. Dili sila construct, but they just design concepts for different buildings. One ang ArchiGlobal. Wala sila yung construction na and positions along the main highways of Archbishop Reyes Avenue, Vertex Central is the prime location for the cosmopolitan, with virtually everything, including malls, restaurants, business, establishments, and entertainment walking distance. This residential and home office development is built at the very core of the dynamic cityscape within two major businesses districts in Cebu, giving residents the perfect balance of work and leisure. This 34-story development offers including unit, one bedroom unit, and two office unit that caters to the family-oriented and the career-driven alike, accentuating its accessibility and magnificent view of Cebu's business model. For one, let's discuss on one of their mixed-use projects, the Maki project. One such project, the Maki Center, represents Apple One Group's inaugural mixed-use development in Mactan. During the 11th Property Guru Philippines Property Awards, this project received several accolades, including the distinction of Best Mixed-Use Architectural Design. Additionally, it garnered the high commendation for Best Mixed-Use Development and Best Hotel Development, recognizing the exceptional Fairfield for Mario City Mactan component within the Maki set. And recently lang mo na ilang pinakabagong mga like publicly nga isikat o balik ang tax redevelopment. The tax redevelopment, also known as tax of Cebu, caps a 3-hectare expanse, providing an awe-inspiring 360-degree vista of Cebu metropolis, Bohol Sea, Mactan Channel, and Verdant Mountains. This commercial recreational hub revolves around a circular viewing deck, adorned with an iconic semicircular structure, housing marine structures and restaurants. An open-air mercadillo showcase local arts and products, while many golf course, hotel, and offices further animate the development and illuminate at night. The circular band structure becomes an unmistakable city landmark, linked to Cebu's UNESCO Creative City of Design Recognition. The TOPS redevelopment embodies the city's natural richness and creative transformation and its design for the region's climate and heritage. The next one is located in Palawan, Palawan rather, is the TAC Resort Hotel. Sprawled with nature. Nature is the core design of this hotel and resort. The master plan is reminiscent of a typical five-star sprawling resort in Bali, Indonesia. The architecture is vernacular and makes use of native materials. The hotel villas, space borders, water features, swimming pools, gardens, and landscape areas that makes every accommodation in the hotel intermingle with nature. The development also features a commercial street at the front of the resort property. The next one of the projects is the Dubai Hotel here in the heart of Cebu. This four-star business hotel offers 668 modern guest rooms and an ample number of hotel function halls and amenities. The lower floors house commercial spaces and restaurants. The architecture of this building is modern and timeless, exhibiting itself as a grand business hotel. The form of the building is generally shaped by its function. The clothing floors house the events and conferences halls of the hotel. The high-rise towers house the hotel guest rooms. These towers are planned and oriented to have use of the Mactan Harbor and the Metropolitan City. And sa ilaha, ArchiGlobal also design streetscapes, landscapes, dili lang sila more on facades, but they also provide landscapes. Then one of their commercial projects is the streetscapes. Kani siya, concept lang niya siya, kani siya na sila yung concept, pero tuloy sila na-construct. An iconic street mall. Streetscape was conceptualized to be a neighborhood retail destination for the most exclusive residential area in the city of Cebu. The design of the building opens out to its guests with facade that features a very wide and spacious corridor. The column and roof configuration make the building appears very light, almost like a tent. The building's white colors allows concessionaries to jazz up dirt storefronts, thus giving the building its look. On special evenings, the building becomes a dynamic projector, screens of colorful patterns. This spot is also in Zamboanga, La Acardia. La Acardia is a retail strip mall that makes use of properly shaped to provide a very efficient circulation system and maximizes the visibility of the shops from roads. The building form is defined by its shed roof profile, slanted graphic elements mimicking the ape support used in some Filipino vernacular architecture. The development includes a more lively vibe in the evening when the tenant spaces are lighted and add use to the building's pictorial color. And also, they design institutional buildings. One of their designs was the USC Senior High School. Expansive green atriums. This project began as an open design competition won by ArchiGlobal. The biggest challenge in planning was the site itself, which was located on dry retention ponds within the university's 80-hectare mountainous property in Talakan. The designers met the challenges met on utilizing these natural features instead of using them as an obstacle in creating the natural mound, amphitheater, and central green areas which become an integral part of the building. The next one is the ACT School. Dynamic and open and functional. Asian College of Technology is a dynamic IT school that trains their students to be highly competent, globally competitive, and consideration by the school is the main parameter considered in the design of the building. The facade basically excludes a corporate look. Irregular and slanting aluminum elements show the dynamism of the school wants to exemplify. The building space requirements, in spite of its small size, include an auditorium at the top of the building and several numbers of classrooms. This posed a challenge for the planning of the building, but the final layout was able to incorporate a few green nooks and cross ventilation inside the building. Also, kailangan i-design ang Northern Mindanao Wellness Integration Center in Bukidnon and Holy Angels University in Pampanga. ArchiGlobal also accept projects that are institutional. They have the San Pedro Calungsod, a parish for a saint. The design of this church mimics rays of light coming from the cross, a symbolism of the powerful regions of faith and the blessings we receive from God. The rays of the light radiate from cylindrical structural representing the Pope. The shrine is dedicated to San Pedro Calungsod, a Filipino migrant, sacristan, and missionary catechist who suffered persecution and eventual martyrdom in Guam while giving witness to the Christian faith. So they also accept interior architecture and one shot example sa ilang interiors kay ang Mitay showroom interiors, condominium sorry guys. Kaya condominium lobby in Davao. Imagine lang yung siya, like, interior, doon tayo. Then, Vertex Central Lobby, katong ipakita kanina earlier sa Vertex na hotel, and this interior of a mall. And muna siya ang ilang example of landscape architecture, siya mga building, siya ka building, hindi sila nag-design ng work, natin siya, and sila like ipahimo. This was inspired in Italy, siya ka landscape, may ilang dito. Then, nila sa Amani City Gate. Amani City Gate is mixed-use development that is made up of 4 residential condominiums, an office building with radial space and a centrally located black house and the bold primary colors used for the towers, yellow, red, blue, and white, wala nakita ang blue na iba na sa layo. White lends a festive air to this lifestyle center development. An open amphitheater located next to the clock house open up towards the natural waterway. Intended to appeal to millennials, Amani City Gate provides an atmosphere conducive to a well-balanced work lifestyle. So, ang ilang kayo naman ito ay i-play lang nila ang color sa building for millennial na ganang palit sa building na ganang state. Or ito siya ang ilang main reason na ilang color kay yellow, blue, red, and white. Their sustainable practices. ArchiGlobal sustainable practices can itap sila sa 4 energy efficiency, passive design, green building materials, and biophilic design. For the green efficiency, using energy efficient materials and technologies like LED lighting, energy efficient HVAC system, and solar panels to reduce energy consumption and reliance on non-renewable resources. For the passive design, incorporating passive design strategies such as proper orientation, natural ventilation, and shading to maximize natural light, heat, and airflow, thereby reducing the need for artificial heating and light and cooling. green building materials, using environmentally friendly materials like recycled steel, sustainably harvested wood, low VOC paints. Kani siyang low VOC paints kay kani siyang really mga paints nga less or zero to siya release of carbon dioxide such as the Nippon paints, and the natural insulation materials to reduce the ecological footprints and construction projects. Lastly is the biophilic design, integrating natural elements like plants, water features, and natural materials in the building design to enhance occupants' connection with nature, improve indoor quality, and promote the well-being of the users.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Good evening, and now we'll talk about the ArchiGlobal's recognition and awards. So first, in the year 2018, four projects designed by ArchiGlobal won the Philippine Property Awards. These are the Sheraton Cebu Mactan Resort, which is by Apple One Mactan, won the Best Luxury Condo Development. And then next is the Grand Residence Group, which is by Residence Incorporated, won the Best High-End Condo Development. And same, the Amani Grand Mactan, which is also from Grand Land Incorporated, won the Best Affordable Condo Development. And lastly, the Best Housing Development Award was awarded to Casa Mira Subdivision by the Singulan Brothers. Next is last September 2022, ArchiGlobal won the Best Medium Architectural Firm category, in which from the International Loop Design Award, in which Loop recognized ArchiGlobal capacities, expertise, and speed in designing, distinguished and award-winning development despite of the medium size and relatively young size. And in June 2022, ArchiGlobal were awarded one of the Asia's top 10 architectural firm awards, which are recognized for their extensiveness and diversity of their project, adding a premium to green building and development that contribute to the existing economics needs of the country. And also, the same month, and the year 2023, in Plaza Manila, ArchiGlobal is still one of the BCI top 10 architectural firm, in which their winning formula to be still one of the top 10 was because of the only practicing BMI, the building information modeling and connection with the right partners to collaborate and realize their design. And lastly, the award that ArchiGlobal reserved recently was this year. This was last 2023. ArchiGlobal has invited in Marina Bay Sands in Singapore to receive the 2 awards from Asia's Architectural Design and Architecture Design Awards, or the AAD. The first got the best architectural design firm because it is recognized as impactful and innovative project, and also secured the best commercial building design for the top 3 development project. When the firm submitted the entry, ArchiGlobal justified their entry that it must be stunning design by expounding the following areas: the idea, the impact, the definition, the function, and the innovation. With the Architectural Design Awards, this is a testament as a company to continue commitment to become the top design firm. So, for the conclusion, we learned that effective communication is important. ArchiGlobal, as for their standards, they seek for people who can communicate well in their hiring criteria because they believe that the skills can be developed and obtained through training and learning process. Next is the advantage and disadvantages for working at a large-scale firm. A large firm like ArchiGlobal, while you may be limited to one role, such as architectural design, you may gain extensive experience by working on a diverse design projects. This exposure allows you to develop specialized expertise in your area of focus. Next is a continuous learning and improvement. The visit made us realize the importance of continuous learning and improvement. It provides valuable insights into the industry's diverse design philosophy and client satisfaction. Through networking and collaboration, we understand the significance of constantly upgrading our skills and knowledge to stay competitive in the field. So, these are some snips in our visit last March 2024. And then before we end the presentation, we'd like to invite you on the simple office tour of the ArchiGlobal.
just need to be someone who collaborates with people. Kayo na ilang ganahan eh. Every skills man daw can be learned and can be taught sa ilang kanang workspace. That's why wala siya sila ilang trabaho sa dito kay mapanimbalhin. If you want to design, ang ato ka sa design, pa-board na sa ka, pwede ka mutaki dito sa laing nga kanang part sa kanang work like technicalities and kanang design concepts, pwede ka ito kay ilang ganahan kay flourish ka sa bisag mo sa field, if na kay kanang like 40 ganit para if pinapamay mo, you can create a good design. And thank you very much for listening, and we are Group 7.
Questions, guys? Questions? Hello.